Hey family, hey bestie, hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's a lipstick on my teeth. I hope you're well, I hope you're doing great. This look is giving Galentine's, and that is exactly the makeup look that we're going to go through today. And make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of this video. Look how pretty I look. If you want to look exactly like this, make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing. This is a walkthrough video. I'm talking you through all my steps, and it's so simple as well, so make sure you're tuning in. It's not a voiceover, it's a walkthrough. I'm talking techniques, steps, lip combo. I know this lip combo is busting. I know you want it, so you better watch till the end. So I'm going to tell you all my tips and my tricks as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye bestie. Before we start, you want to make sure that your face is washed, cleansed and moisturized. The first thing I'm going to do is actually put my hair back as well, because we don't want any hair in the way, getting in the way, distracting us whilst we're doing this beat. Okay, so we're just going to grab our long 3-inch bust down, and we're just going to clip it. We are going to start with our brows. I want to do like a really striking brows because we're going out, because we're having a Galentine's. I'm going to go with one of my edge brushes because my eyebrows are so grown and I want to make sure that they stay put. You know, girls, we can get a bit crazy. We going out, we taking tequila shots and all that. What you want to do is make sure you're brushing this up. So we want to go in with our Got To Be Ultra Glue, just a little bit on the back of our hand. This is way too much. We want to go with a tiny bit on our eyebrows. We just want to kind of press on it, and then we want to wait for it to dry, and we're gonna let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'd say 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. We want to go in with a dark brown pencil. Now I know my brows are black, but I hate when my brows are so dark. This is one of like the hair shop pencils. Now if you want a branded one, if you want a specific one, I believe Revlon does one. It's called Black Brown. Basically not too black and it's not too brown. It's a bit like this one, but this is the cheaper version. Listen, I'm the type of girl, I will choose the cheaper option. Okay, I want y'all to see my top. This is the top. It's cute. Y'all like it? Okay, anyway, so you just want to kind of do little strokes. You literally just want to do little strokes. And you want to make sure that the little strokes are in the direction of your eyebrow. Now because my eyebrow is growing and I'm growing it out, I don't want to do too much. I don't want to fill it out too much. I just want to kind of make sure it's standing out, it's giving a bold brow. When I get to the top here, I just kind of do like a line and bring it down. When I get to this bit of my brow, I just do a little line here. You want to hold your pencil like this. Do it like this. And what you want to do is take your spoolie or your brush, and then you want to brush it up. It just kind of gives it like a shadow effect. I know it's giving 2016 vibes, but trust me, it works for me every time. So do the same with this brow, and then come back and we'll move on to correcting the brow and making sure it's defined as well. I have started working and concealing this brow. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Now we're going to go in with our angled brush, shape it out, give it a bit of a definition as well. Always, you want to follow the direction of your brow. Sometimes I do like to join the line just to make sure that they're both on the same, I don't know how to call it, tangent. That is such a big word. It kind of gives that W. Now I'm just going to put a bit of concealer on my eyelids, and then we're going to blend everything out. I'm going to use my crease brush and a bit of mist. If you've watched my everyday makeup video, you know that I use mist to blend my cream based product. I'm just going to spray a bit on my hand where there's a bit of concealer left. Now I'm going to mix kind of just mix it in, and I'm going to dab it on the dry part of my arm to blend. I'm just gonna tap, making sure I'm tapping the product in, and make sure you're blending the eyelids as well. Break this line here. Make sure you keep blending until you're satisfied that it's going to be a good base. We're going to go in with a powder to set it. I'm going to be using my NYX bronzer. We're going to go in with an eyeshadow brush and just kind of get a bit of the product. First, you want to make sure you're tapping, make sure you're reaching the corners as well. So we want to make sure we're getting right underneath the brow, because sometimes I tend to miss it as well, to be fair. Kind of just fully blend that out like a full eye, a full blown eye. I really like how it's looking at the moment. Do the same on this eye and then come back. I can show you one bomb ass eyeshadow. It's simple, it just gives glam, it just gives girly. Just come back. Okay, so now we want to do our pink bright eyeshadow, and I'm actually so excited for this one. But the palette that we're going to be using is the Be Perfect Bright Matte palette. We're going to be using this pink right here. So what you want to do is you want to go in with a flat brush with a bit of color. Make sure you're tapping off any excess. We want to go in on our eyelids. Follow the direction of your eyelid. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it so much. We are doing a full beat today, but we need to make sure it's giving soft glam, it's giving girly, nothing too much. We're with the girls. Going in with the e.l.f. primer. I'm just gonna go in with a flat kabuki brush, and we're going to get a tiny bit of that. We don't want it to come off as soon as we go out, so we want to make sure that it's staying on our skin. So now we want to blend, and you always want to blend upwards. You know, when you're creaming your skin, that's the motion you want to blend your primer under your eyes, because they get really dry. Just keep blending till you're satisfied, and then we can start with the actual skin. For our skin, we're not going to color correct today. What we're going to do is we're basically going to use a darker shade of foundation first to cover our dark spots. This is something that I've just honestly recently discovered, and then we're going to go in with our main shade of foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I believe this is in the shade Espresso. These are my dark areas, my dark spots, so I'm gonna put them here. You can use the same kabuki brush, doesn't matter, but always remember to use your mist. Then we're going to kind of dab that in. Get your neck as well. This way we've got full coverage without color correcting and doing all that. We're going to go in with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations ever. Like, I absolutely love it. Just watch how it just kind of seamlessly just blends into my skin, because it just kind of goes matte. I'm just kind of spreading it around using my bigger brush. We're going to blend that out, spread that out evenly. Look how matte it is. Literally, even me blending it in, it's already matte. Like, it's so nice. I really love this foundation. So what we're going to do with our forehead is whatever is left on this brush, we're going to go in. I love this foundation. Like, NARS actually did their thing. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take my wand and I'm going to place the concealer right underneath my eye, and then we're going to bring that up, and we'll just bring this down a little bit, just like a little triangle. Put some on my chin. So with doing this, obviously is going to give us a high kind of look, like a snatched look. And then we want to go on our forehead. We're going to spray some mist on, and then we're going to let it dry for literally like 3 seconds. Going in with our small brush gently, because we want to kind of still have a bit of product on our face. this, you want to make sure you're bringing it down a little bit, blend it out. You always blend the edges and then you bring it in. That way you're not blending the edges out. So if you're blending the edges, once you finish blending the edges out, you come up. Don't blend the edges out and go this way. Do the same for this side of your face, and then we'll move on to contouring. Okay, so now that everything is pretty much blended out, you want to go in with your foundation brush. So this is the brush you use for your foundation, and we just want to kind of blend the edges out. If there's any product left on there, just kind of blend everything out. You just kind of want to make it seamless, like we didn't even put no concealer on there, girl. Now with contour, we don't want to make it too harsh. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go for a rosy kind of contour. What I'm going to go in with is this brown and this orange. We're going to mix them together, and then it's going to give us a nice blush, and we're going to contour with that. You're going to start from here. You just kind of want to bring it down a little bit. You just want to kind of stay there, but you want to kind of slowly bring it down, then go up. Slowly bring it down, then go up. Slowly bring it down, then go up. Still kind of want to keep it up above, you know, because we're trying to have that nice girly look, like cute, you know, nothing too much. So you want to do the same on this side of your cheek, and then come back to the video. I have put the blush quite up high because I want to mix the blush in with my setting powder or my baking powder, and it's so cute. I'm going to show you guys. We want to go in with our triangle, and we want to go quite high up and make sure it's kind of touching the blush a little bit. Then what we want to do is making sure we're highlighting underneath the blush. You want to bring it all the way down. And then we want to do our forehead. Never forget the forehead. Then you want to bring it down to your nose. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust me, it will make sense. Start blending. What we're going to do is get a blending brush. Make sure it's a flat one. We want to tap the makeup in this way. When we get here, we want to start blending this bit out. Make sure you're tapping it in, especially with your under eyes, because you don't want to just kind of like sweep all the products away. Just blend it till you're like completely satisfied. And then when it comes to adding the blush, you want to just gently tap that in. You want to go in with the same angled brush that you use for the blush, and you just kind of want to top that up a little bit, just a little bit. It's very highlighted, and we want to add some warmth to it. Don't go crazy putting blush everywhere, like absolutely not. You just want to add the right amount. Don't overdo it. Like, don't be looking like a clown and looking crazy. Absolutely not. And then we're going to go in with our NYX bronzer. Always need a bit of bronzer to add a bit more warmth. We're just going to kind of put it here just to form a gradient of the look, just to make sure that there's a gradient, like it just doesn't go from, you see the difference here and here. This is really harsh pink. We don't really want that. I want it to form a gradient, so you just kind of want to go over the blush. I'm going to contour my nose now. You want to make sure that we're not using a really dark brown, but you also want to create that illusion. Really pinch your nose, you know, pinch that nose. Go down. Okay, so I have my lashes on now. I just put a bit of the pink eyeshadow that I have on my eyelids. I'm just gonna put a bit on the corner of my eyes, just to give it a bit of a, you know. I'm actually so excited for my lip today because I'm going to show you guys my cute, I love this lip combo, so stay tuned. This one is cute, it's cute. Take some notes, okay? For my lip combo, I'm going in with the LA Girl matte lip cream, and this is like an orangey color. I absolutely love this color. Like, you can't tell me nothing about this color. I am going to go in on top with the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. As always, this is in the shade Sparkling Rosé. My eyes are tearing up. Okay, so I have finished my face, I finished my lips. I feel so pretty. I'm gonna put my hair down and come back to this video. This is the final look. I absolutely am in love with this look. Like, it's giving soft glam, it's giving girly, it's giving everything that needs to be given. Okay, it's giving overlined lips, it's just giving pink Barbie, like black Barbie doll. I am obsessed. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Like, oh my god, I love it so much. Thank you guys for joining my video. Like, I am so obsessed with this look. I look so pretty. Oh my god. The lip plumping gloss did what needs to be done. Are you serious? Period. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and come back for more on Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know. Make sure you wear this makeup and go out with the girls, because allow those men, their time is up. Valentine's Day is over. Let's go spend time with the girls on Galentine's, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much for the love. Bye.